There's something about writing with a pen on paper that just feels right, doesn't it? But when it comes to note-taking on the iPad, that smooth glass screen can feel like a barrier. For years, I struggled with this, trying different screen protectors and even considering switching to another device or the classic pen and notebook. But now, I've found a solution that lets me enjoy the best of both worlds. Writing that feels natural and a screen that looks pristine. In this video, I'll show you how I transformed my new iPad Pro into a perfect digital notebook without sacrificing its amazing display. Research has shown that writing with pen and paper for note-taking enhances memory retention, comprehension, processing, and overall productivity. The tactile feedback of pen on paper sharpens the mind's focus and makes information more memorable. There are several studies conducted on this, and you can check the description section for more details. I've used my iPad Pro for note-taking for over 5 years, and I've often found myself typing more than using the Apple Pencil. The smooth surface of the glass felt unnatural, almost like a barrier between me and my thoughts. I even tried a paper-like screen protector from Spigen, but I couldn't stand the loss of clarity when watching movies or doing anything other than writing. I was tempted by the remarkable tablet, but I didn't want to lose the iPad's versatility. I even went back to the old pen and notebook combo, but carrying around extra stuff and not having quick access to my notes felt counterproductive. I needed something that would give me the best of both worlds. Recently, I upgraded to the iPad Pro M4, and since I love to keep my screen protected at all times, I installed the ESR tempered glass screen protector. This is an amazing screen protector that comes with an application guide, and the installation process was super easy. But the writing experience still felt unrealistic. I wanted a notebook-like feel for note-taking and long study sessions. Then I discovered the magnetic paper-like screen protector from ESR, and this seemed like the perfect solution as I could easily apply and remove it when not needed and still have the glass screen protector on at all times. But could I use this magnetic screen protector on top of my glass screen protector? Let's try to find out. But before that, if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. The package came with a cleaning kit and a handy folder for storing the screen protector when not in use. Perfect for someone who's always on the go. Installing it was simple. The magnets at the edges snapped onto the iPad screen with no issues. Right away, I noticed a big difference. The writing experience felt natural, almost like I was writing on real paper. Plus, having the glass protector underneath didn't cause any issues. After a month of using it, I can confidently say it's a game changer for me. Since the ESR magnetic screen protector also comes with a folder, you can store the magnetic protector and carry it with you in the bag. This makes it really convenient to switch between both options wherever and whenever you want. After every few days of usage, I just clean the protector and the screen to remove the dust from the magnetic edges and to improve clarity. Since the screen protector is matte finish, it even reduces glare, which is especially helpful when taking notes during the day. However, there's one drawback. If you're using this combination with a Magic Keyboard, the added thickness at the edge prevents you from closing the keyboard fully, but this isn't a big deal for me. So after using this setup for over a month, here's my take. I use my iPad Pro primarily for typing emails and watching content, and I've rediscovered my love for writing notes and drafting sketches. The flexibility of having this removable, magnetic paper-like screen protector allows me to switch between tasks seamlessly without compromising on the iPad's top-notch OLED display. I'm using the Apple Pencil more than ever, and it's made those long study sessions far more enjoyable. If this video was helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you and see you again.